Hello everyone and welcome to another Kalvin Mahoney TV, and this time we are going to do some unboxing. Yeah, it's clickbaits, and it's September's clickbaits because I'm in the progress of moving, so we've been I say we, my carers have been helping me, my sons have been helping me. I just got to wait for a date and we'll move straight in, and it'll be a lot better for me, much bigger place, at least I can go out. Anyway, less of that, I'll do a thing on that later. What we here? Well, you know what we're here to unbox. And this month, September, clickbaits. Yeah, so without any further ado, we will unbox. Yep. Oh, yeah, look. If you want to look. Oh, I ain't ripped nothing in there. Oh. 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 Yeah. Right, we'll do put the books up there. We won't bother looking. I've got to look at it. That'll go there, that'll go there, that'll go there. There we go. Yeah, just to show you quickly. There you go. So, yeah. Put you back there a bit, shall we? Hang on. Gotta get you right. There we go. Can't even see my finger. There we are. Right, so the first thing out of the box is that soft thing that I felt, and it's Dead Man and Crow. I've got Crow. Dead Man, I've got no idea. Hang on, I see. I might be missing something, you see. So, what I do is just I'll scan it, and we'll see if it scans through plastic. If not, I'll do it later. Yep, it's scanned. Yeah, DC Comics. This is DC Comics. DC Nation collectible Dead Man and Crow plush toy figure. New in whatever. £9, £10, £6. Oh. Never heard of him. I don't know what it is. I know it's a plush. £15, £5. It's hard to say what you can what the price is. Meet it halfway and say 6. And it was. Yeah, never heard of it. Some of you out there might. Yeah, well, I mean, quick likes always give you value for money. Alright, here we go. Oh, cool. Yep, I've got these. Collect these. I like these. Serious one, yeah. I got, yeah, well, we'll open it. Hang on. We'll go to eBay and see how much they're worth first, because I don't know how much. Right. Yeah. Oh, £8. 7, 6, 16 for free. £10 United States. 7, 8. Yeah, I suppose not too bad. We'll open it up for you anyway. Out comes Batman. And it's not the one I got. Absolutely not. Yeah, you can see him, can you? Yeah. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, goes with the rest of them. These are good, these are. I do like them. At least I know what it is, and it's not the other one. I don't know what it is. Oh, it feels like a pot. Oh, it ain't. Oh, Mini Heroes. Mini Heroes. Already got it. I won't be taking them out of the box because they'll be sold. I've got that one. That one there. Yeah, we'll see how much. See how much. Yeah, we'll have a look, see how much he's worth. Yeah. Oh, £8, £10. £10. Yeah, that's about right. I mean, I've already got this one, so that'll be sold. 1, 2. Yeah, there's only 3. Oh, just seen the pot. Actually, it's Rick and Morty. Carnivorous Daniel. Carnivorous Daniel. In fact, I got Scary Terry. You can't really see him, can you? On the back, what about here? Can you see him? That's all I got, yeah. This is what you got on the back. I got him. Scary Terry. So, let's see how much he's worth on eBay. Go. £10, £9, £26, 15, 14. Starting bid of £3, 2 bids. £9. Yeah, £9. Yeah, he's being sold. You know where you can find him? I think I might actually put Scary Terry up as well in a combo, so you can watch out for that. Right, let's have a look at this one. Oh, what is it? Oh, right. Transformers. Super deformed figure. Collect them all. I've got Megatron. Yeah, Megatron. Yeah, I've got Megatron. Now you can see him. Yeah. Again, I don't collect them. That'll be going on eBay. Yep. Oh, it says Megatron on the bottom anyway. Bloody hell, £10, £11. I'll see. 11. 10 £10. Blimey. Megatron. Collects his money, doesn't he? It's quite a... Yes. Alright, and the last item. Oh. I know this, it's a Marvel Bank, and to be honest with you, I don't like the looks of it. I've actually seen somebody unbox this box. I mean, it's alright if you're into them. But yeah, I can get your money out. Where's the money box? But my money box is the bank. You know, don't keep any kind of money at home. You never know, do you? It's made of, what's the name? Ceramic or whatever you want to call it. It's well wrapped, and yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, if you like that kind of thing. But I'm not a lover of money boxes, so this is what we do. Oh, yeah, put it there. You know what we're gonna do. eBay. Alright. £10, £12. Yeah. Which ain't bad, I suppose. And oh, thank you very much. Hesse bars. Oh, cool. Yeah, man. Yeah. They did say, because my box, they both come together in October, the September box, he said he'd put something in extra for me. And I thought that was it. I thought, you know. Yeah, but no. Look. Thank you, click rates. Definitely click rates. They hold up to their things. They say they're going to sort you. They do sort you. I couldn't wish for anything better, really. Apart from a free box. But that's it. And Hesse bars. Lovely. I should enjoy them. Yes. Sprinkles and cream, that one. And strawberries and cream, that one. Look at that. Get a good shot of it, lads. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, click rates. Definitely. Definitely click rates. Yeah, lovely. And the box is empty, as you can see. So, where's that going there? So, what we do And some of these will be going on eBay. This one, I'll be keeping that. It's the one I ain't got. These one, I'll be keeping that. These will be going. I've got another one, so I might sell them in pairs. You know what I mean? Look, and that's definitely going. Yeah. So we'll put this away. Yeah, there. Yep. Yes. Well, we put it all away nicely. And yeah. And it's just, hang on. Let me just tidy the desk up a bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on this. Yeah, I've got a machine it goes into. It's quite costly. I must admit it was costly, but I need it. Density bars. I'll have them tonight. I think it's a shame, like, I mean, it's a shame I didn't have more viewers, because I would have done a quick competition. 2 quick ones. Yeah, I mean, what's your favourite SE bar? And then I would have sent you one. Yeah, I would have sent you it, but that's how kind I am. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Kalvin Mahoney's TV. Tell your friends you watch me. Tell them how good I am. Tell them I've got a sword that was not used, but a replica sword in the background that Ned Stark used to behead the man in black, one of the crows, for desertion. Yes. And I've got needle in the front room, needle hanging up, and some other Jon Snow's sword that he was given. But anyway, that's a story for another day. Don't want to keep hearing me waffling on, do you? No. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you want to donate and help me out, which would be ever so great, because I've got to save up hard for a mobility scooter, and that's going to hurt. Yeah, I need it. But anyway, I've got a wheelchair I can get out in the meantime. But yeah, saving hard on the money I haven't got. So if you want to donate anything, just email me, and yeah, and thank you. But anyway, thank you for watching Kalvin Mahoney's TV. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, if you, oh yeah, and also, I keep forgetting, sorry, stuff. Yeah, wear a mask, get your jabs, keep your distance, stay safe, and more to follow. So keep an eye out. Thank you. Bye bye.